Hello everyone. In today's class we are going to learn about Hindi alphabets. This is part 1. We are going to learn letters, then words and then sentences. Now come on, let us start to read. A se na ra anar. A na ra anar. A se anar. A से आम. A से आम. आम. A से आम. आम. Now let us fill few exercises. We pause the video and try to fill the first letter of the given words. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of the given word. Try it. I have filled it. It's a na ra anar. A se anar. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of the given word. Try it. I have filled it. It's a ma am. A ma am. A se am. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel and help us to make more videos like this. I will meet you in the part 2 of the Hindi alphabets. Until then, bye. Take care. See you soon.